crafters. Today I'm going to have my last haul before the video Christmas Craft Fair Ideas 2022. So today we're going to have some of the items that I bought from two stores. One is Hobby Lobby, I hope you have it around you, and the other one is Tuesday Morning. Tuesday Morning are these ones. It's a little bit less. It's a smaller quantity of items. So for that reason, I am going to start with Hobby Lobby. Okay, so I'm going to show you some items that I bought there, and that you will see some of these on my craft fair ideas and video tutorials. Okay, so let's start with the stickers. I use a lot of stickers for embellishment because they are so easy. I have shown you, if you've seen my Dollar Tree haul, you would have seen some of the stickers that I bought there. I just wanted to give you some more ideas and some more options because it's very personal taste. So I love these little tiny Santas. So those are stickers ready to go. These are great for small items that you make for your craft fairs. These are sentiments also for craft fair. I've mentioned this before. I want to do something that is easy to make and quick. So for that reason, I bought these stickers here because they're transparent. They can go on any color, cardstock or paper or even wood. They can go on wood too. And they're beautiful. They're gold. They're ready to go. I love the font. So very, very practical. So next, I'm going to show you some of these very colorful stickers that I bought, and they have a great selection. And the good thing about Hobby Lobby is that right now, until Christmas, you see that they're going to be like 50% off, 60% off. Let me just show you some of these in detail because this one is open. So I've already used some because I'm preparing your tutorials, but look how gorgeous these are. Very simple to just peel off and glue and embellish your things. And these are just some snowflakes. I like snowflakes that are not just white, so that's the reason why I bought these, because they're blue. And I do have a cardstock 6 by 6 inch paper that is all blue, so I'm going to use that for sure. And look at this gingerbread man. And guys, just so you know, the average price that I paid for each of these were like $1.99, $2.99, and they were 50% off. So it's a great deal, and you can buy on Hobby Lobby online too if you don't have the store near you. These are very, very practical, very cute stickers that I'm sure I'll be using. These ones, I always look for stickers that are puffy stickers. So that's the case here. Again, very Christmassy and cute. Now let's continue with more stickers from Hobby Lobby. Again, the prices you can see right there on the screen, $2.99. They're usually $1.99 or $2.99. So these are puffy stickers too, and I love the colors here. You have the cars with the Christmas tree, and you have some trailers. You know how popular those are, and I just had to grab them. And I always want to have something that is more neutral in terms of just one color, right? Because it can go anywhere. So that's the case for the next two sheets of stickers. This one is all silver, which goes with anything. You can see Christmas trees and snowflakes and the deer, so things like that. So I always want to have something gold or silver to go with anything, and always search for some beautiful snowflakes. And this one, I don't know if you can see well on the screen. Let me just get it out of the plastic bag here so you can see better, but they're glitter, so they're very nice to apply. You might have seen the ones that I bought on my other haul, but this one, look at that, how shiny it is. It's very glittery but transparent, which makes a difference. And that's the other thing too, guys. When you buy stickers like this, always buy the ones that are transparent, because sometimes they have a white border and that it doesn't look as nice. So when it's transparent like that, it can go on any surface and it looks nice. Now let me end by showing you my two favorite, yeah, last for and the best for last. So here they are. These are some Christmas trees, but they are very, very delicate. Look at that. They're gold, they're green, but they're made of these little tiny dots. They're very delicate and again transparent. So if you can stick this to any cardstock, any color. White is the best, to be honest, or light colors, because you don't want to lose. If it's a dark color underneath, you're going to lose some of definition. So don't do that. The same thing with these here. These are basically just sentiments. Who doesn't need any sentiments, right? These are great for your tags, for your cards. They're ready made. They have all the Christmas, more traditional colors there. So they're perfect. So if you're going to make something traditional, you want to have something quick to grab, especially for the last minute things that you're going to make, okay? So that's for the stickers. So I think I am done with the stickers, and we're going to move on now to some more products, okay? The next set of products that I'm showing you now, these are for my kids' kits. I'm going to have some kits for kids that have, you might have seen some of the items that will be inside my kits on my I'll have the link below for my dollar store haul. These are going in the kits as well. These are beautiful trees and have some ornaments on the right side there, and you can see the price $2. Again, they're 50% off right now, but I thought these would be great to go because I'm going to add some crayons and some glitter markers, glitter glue pens, and these are perfect for that. So if the kids are going to have crayons or markers or something like that, which mine will, you might as well just give them something to color, right? So that's what I'm going to do because I got some stickers from the Dollar Tree and I wanted to have some kind of activity. So I think that was a good idea, and I just grabbed a few, and a lot, I think they come like with 20, I'm not sure, but it's a lot. It's like at least 30 for sure. And this is also going to go, and you see on my tutorial video. This one is just some more stickers, but they are felt stickers. So they're going to go also. There you are, 70 pieces. See, 70 pieces for $3, which is actually dollar and a half. So I'm going to just add some stickers so they can have fun. When you make these kits for kids, you should always have something activity related, like coloring, whatever activity you want, but also something fun like this. You have some different types here, and I thought these would be perfect to just add to the kit. So I'm sure that they're going to love it. Now to end this haul, I'm going to show you the paper that I bought. I found the most beautiful paper at Hobby Lobby. This one, and again, 50% off. That one was about $6, six and a half. 60 sheets of paper. This is not cardstock, and it's all plaid. So look at that, absolutely perfect. I'm always looking for different plaids. Look at that, different colors, different patterns, but absolutely perfect for card bases. You can use that for so many things for your tags, but just beautiful, beautiful options here. I was actually looking for something that's more like background and work like a background, both paper and cardstock. Look at this one. I absolutely love it. So these, it just comes, I think it's three of each. Yes, 20 designs, three of each. So 60. Same thing with the next paper pad that I'm going to show you. I just want to flip through quickly here, and you can have an idea and make a decision and just write it down if you're interested, and you can buy it online if you don't have the store nearby. The next one is actually cardstock, and I was so happy. Even though this one is not really 100% Christmas, it's cardstock, is by Paper Studio. That's the brand that they sell at Hobby Lobby. But look how beautiful. It's called Lumberjack. Again, it's 20 designs, three each, and it was $14, but it was 50% off. So just find the name. By the name, you'll be able to find it online. Let me just get this plastic off of here. It's kind of hard right now, but I'll do it and then I'll do a quick flip through for you, okay? So there you are. Now I have another one. Sorry about that. I should have done it before I started the video. But we always forget something. That's fine. So let me just flip through. I love this lumberjack pattern. I just went to Yellowstone, and when I saw that buffalo there, I said, gotta get it. Because I'm planning to make some gifts for my in-laws because they came with us, just so that they remember the time we had there. But look at that. Look how beautiful the patterns are. And this one, perfect for Christmas, right? Some of them are really, really, that one too, very Christmassy, although it's not marketed as Christmas, but look at that. Most of them are very Christmassy to me. So I like the colors and the patterns. So there's the buffalo. So I'm going to for sure use that one for my gifts for my in-laws. So let me just flip through so that you can see and you make your decision whether or not you're interested in this pad. But we only have one more to go. Oh, here's one of my favorite. Look at that. There's Yellowstone. If you look for Yellowstone Park, that's all you see. That's like the main image that you're going to see in all their marketing things. And now the last cardstock pad that I bought at Hobby Lobby. This one is 100% Christmas. It's called Mistletoe Lodge, and again, it's by Paper Studio. That's the brand they have, and it's 60 sheets. These are so good and perfect. The patterns are perfect for Christmas. So they were really, really Christmas oriented on this one. So same price again, $14, 50% off. They usually have that, these sales, or either it's 50% off or the second one 50% off. So let me just flip through it so that you can see. And now that I got that plastic glue out of the way, let's just flip through it. Mistletoe, and that's actually the name of the pad. I want to quickly show you some of the patterns. 20 patterns, three of each, so that you can again decide whether or not you're interested. But oh, look at the bird. I always forget the name of this bird. Look at that. Very cute. But anyway, I'm just gonna flip through. I love this one because of the red color. It's kind of washed red and it's dark. I really like when it's dark colors. Look at that. That one is beautiful too. The deer with a scarf, some plaid. So really, really Christmas colors and perfect. And it's a good thickness. It's not very, very thick, but it's thick enough if you want to make small boxes. If you're going to make big boxes, I wouldn't use this. It's not that thick for that. But for small ones, it's really nice. So there you go. Some red, some green, very traditional colors. Absolutely beautiful. I loved it. And now we're moving from Hobby Lobby to Tuesday morning. Tuesday morning, they actually are improving their craft area, so I go there quite often. I got some of these tape. It's actually washi tape. I thought the colors were beautiful. I needed some gold. I always have some gold and look for some silver for Christmas. It's great for boxes, for the lids, to make just build some background for your cards. I use that a lot, and I want to make sure that I show you the price. So that was $4, very affordable. This is basically ephemera. It's not really Christmas related, but I just thought the price was so good, and I got so many pieces here and a lot of sentiment. So that was nice. And these guys, look at this. It's actually an emboss an embossing folder and some dies. They make this little hummingbird. I thought it was very, very nice one to have and a very affordable. You know how expensive dies are. So $5 for an embossing folder and these dies, they're perfect. And that the one that I will use a lot is the one that this one right here that you can use with sentiment. So I'm sure I'll be using that a lot, and also the leaves. So I thought it was a great deal. The next one, I have been looking for this for because I'm making some mini albums and I'm making some mini books too. And I wanted to make a recipe books because I have friends who do that. So I thought this was perfect. It has prep time, the name, where you got it from, all the directions, the ingredients, and it's a good size. So I think I'll be using this a lot. It's perfect for your recipe cards. And I had been looking for that for a while, and for $3, very good price. And the last thing that I got was this, a set of boxes. I use these little boxes, the thin boxes, a lot for my die cuts. When I have extra, you just keep them inside, or something like the ephemera. When you open it and you have some leftover, I just put it there. It's great and perfect for that. So I believe we are done for today. This is a great size, and it was like $9.99. So for $10, I got like 5 or 6 boxes. So those were really, really nice. So this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this haul, and I will see you next time. Next video you will see is going to be my craft fair ideas 2022. See you then.